Instillagel has been available globally since 1965 and has been distributed in the UK by Clinimed Limited for almost 40 years. As a P-licensed medicine, Instillagel is a sterile gel containing lidocaine for local anaesthesia and chlorhexidine for its disinfectant and antiseptic properties. Instillagel is available in 11 and 6 milliliter pre-filled syringes. Pharco Pharma are the marketing authorization holder for Instillagel, distributed in the UK by Clinimed Limited. Instillagel is the only licensed local anaesthetic and antibacterial lubricating gel in the UK market. It is a P-licensed medicine, approved by the MHRA. As a medicine, Instillagel has undergone rigorous testing to establish its efficacy, and as such, you can be sure that the medicinal ingredients are within the specified parameters. Our Instillagel syringes are pre-filled, ready to use, and come in individual sterile packs. For patient comfort, the syringe features a conical cone with a rounded tip, and the wide flange on the syringe prevents slippage, along with the grooved thumb pad on the plunger rod. Instillagel is sterilised via steam sterilisation, which preserves the product characteristics and can help minimise the risk of degradation of the active ingredients. Instillagel can facilitate full dilation and an even coating of the urethra. Always check before the procedure that the patient has no allergies to the active pharmaceutical ingredients. To prepare the syringe, open the blister pack and remove the syringe. To avoid too much gel coming out at once, press on the plunger rod to loosen the pressure point and then remove the cap without touching the tip of the syringe. For male catheterizations, use the 11 milliliter Instillagel syringe. Apply a drop of the Instillagel to the urethral opening. Hold the penis behind the penis head between your thumb and index finger, and then carefully insert the cone of the syringe into the urethra. Now instill the gel slowly into the urethra and wait between 3 to 5 minutes. For female catheterizations, use the 6 milliliter Instillagel syringe and follow the same instructions for priming the syringe as the male catheterization. Applying a small amount of Instillagel around the urethral opening can help dilate the urethra and also help identify the urethral opening. Once you have located the urethra, carefully insert the cone of the syringe into the urethra and then slowly and gently instill the gel into the urethra and wait 3 to 5 minutes. For more information on Instillagel anaesthetic antiseptic gel, please contact Clinimed.